Hi, in this lesson we will learn how to add disputes manually. We all know how to extract automatically. I'm gonna take the occasion to let you know about a new feature in the extract from identity queue. Even though this is not the venue, but I will do it. You can extract also from the previous month. So you have a new client, you can extract first the previous month and then the current month. Obviously the person needs to have the previous month available. Um, so, but the reason for this video is how to add a dispute manually. It's extremely easy. You have here add dispute. Okay, so I'm gonna click add dispute. Then I will select the type. Let's say it's a charge off. So you usually, or mostly sure, but usually you're gonna select the ones with the letter A, which means the first round. So I'm gonna say charge off. If it was a different thing like collection, could be collection A, for example. Then I will type the creditor. Okay, so I'm gonna put here Sears, and then I can select one of these with the address, or I can even add a new creditor if I wanted to. So anyway, I'm gonna select this one now, but I could mark it here and add a new creditor here by typing. Okay, and the account, well, I will add the account manually, or copy and pasting if I have maybe a PDF or something where I have a credit report open. I can copy and paste, and also I can put the amount due if I want. But here, if I have the 3 bureaus, I can select the number 3, and the 3 will be checked. But if it's only in 2 of them, I can do like this. So let's say it was 3, and that's pretty much that. I click save. Can put notes if I want, obviously, but usually you don't. And that's it. Here we have the collections, and with the reasons that are set up automatically, the letters, the creditor, the account, when it was open. In this case, well, obviously you need to enter that manually, since we don't know, because it hasn't been extracted, so we don't know for real. And if you had an amount, you can enter it here. I mean, not here, in the other place before, or here, either one. And that's pretty much that. Then you add the next one. Let me do another one. Just so I'm gonna put a charge off, and I'm gonna put Home Depot here, and account number. In this case, I'm gonna put only these 2, and I'm gonna put an amount of $150, and the day open. I can know that if I'm copying and pasting. I can, let's say that it was on 2018 on this date. Okay, so yes, so I can show you. You see, I can put this, and so essentially that's pretty much that. You add whatever you want manually just by clicking add dispute. So thank you.